Hello everyone, 2026 Canton Fair is coming. Now we are ready. Let's visit our factory. We have large facilities and production line. Now our workers is framing and working on the work lines. And here we have the strict quality control system. Now our worker is inspecting the artworks. This is our quality control process. We offer one-stop solution from design, production, packaging, and global shipping. We are a leading artwork factory of 40 years of experience. We produce all kinds of artworks like the 3D artwork, sculptures, and ceramics. These canvas prints, paper artwork, all the accessories. This is our new catalog. Need custom service, OEM, ODM. Your idea will make it real, fast and flexible. Looking forward to meeting you at the Canton Fair to check the quality by yourself. Contact with us by WeChat, WhatsApp, or email. See you. Bye-bye.